In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the TradingView Position Tool for sizing. This tool is designed to simplify risk management by helping you quickly plan where you enter, where you exit if you're wrong, and how much to trade based on your chosen risk. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place it, configure it, and read the numbers with confidence. First, locate the long position or short position tools. You'll find them on the left-hand toolbar under the section labeled Prediction and Measurement. Choose long position if you're planning to buy expecting price to rise, or short position if you're planning to sell expecting price to fall. Selecting the correct one ensures the profit and loss zones appear on the appropriate side of your entry. Next, place the tool on your chart. Click once at the price level where you intend to enter the trade. Right away, you'll see a green zone representing potential profit and a red zone representing potential loss. This visual is your roadmap. It anchors to your entry and shows how far price needs to move to hit your target or your stop. Now adjust your levels. Click and drag the top edge of the red zone to set your stop loss at the exact price where you want to exit if the trade goes against you. Then drag the green zone to set your take profit at the level you're aiming for. For long positions, the red zone is below your entry and the green is above. For short positions, it's the opposite. As you move these zones, keep an eye on how the distance changes. This directly affects the risk and the potential reward. With your zones in place, configure the settings. Double-click the tool to open its settings menu. Enter your account size so the tool knows how much capital you're basing your risk on. Set your risk percentage, such as 1%, to define how much you're willing to lose if your stop is hit. Confirm your entry price so the calculations align precisely with your plan. These inputs let the tool translate your risk tolerance into an actual position size. Finally, read the data the tool provides. It will automatically display the required quantity to trade, the total cash risk for the position, and the current risk-to-reward ratio based on your stop and target. Use this to verify that your position size matches your rules and that your risk-reward ratio is acceptable for your strategy. If numbers look off, double-check your entry, stop, and risk settings. That's it. Clean, clear, and ready to trade with discipline.